Good afternoon, dear little learner. We welcome to all on behalf of Gopalganj Online School. How are you, dear lovely student? Okay. I hope that you all are well by the grace of God. I am also fine. At present, we are passing many crisis time because of coronavirus. We are affected by COVID-19. Not only our country but also our whole world. So we are panicked. Don't panic, dear lovely student, but be prudent about coronavirus. So to protect us, we have to stay our home to save ourselves and my family. So dear student, to protect us, when I go out from my home, I have to use mask, hand gloves, hand sanitizers, and when come back, I wash my hands with soap or hand wash again and again. It saves us. Dear little learners, we are frightened in this moment, but we are delighted that our Gopalganj Online School has arranged many classes and learning platform where students, where you can learn and recover your lessons. So regularly join in these classes, and in these classes our Gopalganj Online School, who contribute our Honorable DPO Sir, Mr. Anand Kishore Shah Sir, and encourages us our Upazila Education Officer, Janab Mohsin Reza Sir, and Upazila Assistant Education Officer, Mr. Ramprasad Sarkar Sir, and Dinesh Chandra Tikadar Sir. So it is a very fruitful and helpful activities in this moment. At the time of Corona, we have to stay and we will try heart and soul our study. So this platform help us, and I am very proud to get the scope. Now I am introducing myself. I am Milton Rai, Assistant Teacher, Gimadanga, Moddopada, Fazilatunnesa Gop Primary School, Tungipada, Gopalganj. Now I am presenting here an English class, especially for class 5. So dear student, join with me and enjoy the class. And dear student, I request you, you share the classes your lovely friends so that they can be benefited from this class. So dear student, join with me and take your seat and take your book, English book, khata and pen. So ready for classes? Before starting my class, I enjoy with you. Okay? Are you agree, my little learner? Okay. I know you like a singing song, so I would like the song. Okay, dear student. I sing a song, it is world song. Okay? I sing and you sing with me. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we shall overcome someday. Again, we shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall over coronavirus one day. Okay, dear lovely student. So, no panic. We will overcome coronavirus and we study heart and soul. Now, I want to show you at first, lovely student. Do you want to see it? Okay. Dear little learner, what is this? Okay, paper. What has in the paper? Do you want to see? Okay, yes. I want to see, show you. Okay, you know what is this? Dear little learner, what is this? You know, this is a hair. This is a hair. Okay, it is fastest animal. We know it is the fastest animal, isn't it? Okay. And dear student, what is it? You know. Previous class you know, it is a tortoise. It is a tortoise. It is a slowest animal. You know, it is the slowest animal. It is the fastest animal. So, dear student, we know what is this? Dear student, now you see the picture and what is it? The hare and the tortoise beside standing a lion. Do you see the picture? It is a lion. It is a lion. And the hare and the tortoise beside each other. Okay? And they do something, try to something. You think, what is it? And they ready for any competition, like race, okay. So, see the picture and try to say, what is our today's lesson? What is our today's lesson? You try to say, the hare and the tortoise, and try, this is a lion and ready for any competition like race, isn't it? Okay, fine, thank you. Next, our today's lessons, the hare and the tortoise. Lesson, the hare and the tortoise. Unit 14, lesson 2. Parts of the lessons, today's parts of the lessons, the hare ran quickly win the race. Okay? Dear students, now, at first, in this passage, we and your textbook and your khata and take pen and open your page 55. At first, we find out new words and meaning them from this passage. In this passage, at first I mark the new words and you will write down new words, okay? Dear student, at first I mark new student, new words, nap. Here topics, new words, nap. New words. Next, new words, asleep. Asleep. Next, new words, competition. Competition. Next, new words, steady. Steady. Next, new words, furious. Furious. So, dear student, I write down my khata, nap. Nap. Asleep. Asleep. Competition. Competition. Steady. Furious. Furious. Find out new words. Find out new words. Nap, asleep, competition, steady, furious. Dear little student, learners, I write down my khata, okay? And now I am meaning them. At first, nap. Nap means nap. Nap. What he doing? What is he doing? Try to understand. When we any work, we need a rest. When we tired, we need a rest. Break. আমরা যখন কোনো কাজ করি বা যে কোনো বিষয়ে আমরা যদি ক্লান্ত হয়ে যাই বা আমরা যখন একটু তন্দ্রাচ্ছন্ন ভাব থাকে আমরা একটু বিশ্রাম নিই, একটু বিরতি নিই। এখানে আমরা যে অ্যাকশনটা আমরা দেখছি এখানে ডিয়ার আমার সুপার লার্নার্স, ন্যাপ means rest or break. Nap means rest or break. Next, asleep. Next word, asleep. And asleep means, we'll try to understand. Okay, he is sleeping. Okay, dear student. Now, sleeping. Asleep means sleeping. Not awoke. Asleep means sleeping. Not awoke. Competition. They'll try defeat each other. And it is competition. It is such as race. In this passage, the hare and the tortoise race. Fight. They'll try fight. Okay. Race. Fight. Steady. Steady means থামবে না, থামছে না, একভাবে চলেই যাচ্ছে। স্টেডি, স্টেডি মিন্স নট স্টপ, নট স্টপ। কন্টিনিউয়াস, অবিরতভাবে, বিরামহীনভাবে, নট স্টপ। Continuous. Next new word, furious. Furious means angry, his attitude angry. His attitude what? It attitude mad. It is a furious. Now we know the new words. So, dear little learners, and take your book 55, open your page 55 and look and listen. Look and listen. The hare ran quickly. I read and you only listen and move your fingers through the lines. Your book, textbook. The hare ran quickly and in a few minutes the hare was out of sight. The hare quickly. We know the hare was the fastest animal. The hare ran quickly in a few minutes. The hare was out of sight. The hare said to himself, the tortoise is very far behind. The tortoise is slowest animal, so it is very far behind. Next, I can see the finish line. I have time for a nap. I can see the finish line here. Here I can see the finish line. I have time for a nap. Soon the hare was asleep under a tree next to the path. Hare was asleep. The tortoise walked steadily. The tortoise walked steadily, on and on. He didn't stop. Soon he passed the sleeping hare. The hare slept for an hour. When he finally woke up, he looked at the finish line. He couldn't believe his eyes. Tortoise was almost at the finish line. The hare ran as fast as he could. But it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line and won the competition. The hare was furious. The tortoise looked back at the hare and smiled. Then he said, slow but steady wins the race. Now, it's a moral story. Slow but steady wins the race. Interesting story it is. So, now, from the passage, we know here some sentence and make questions. Dear learner students, now write down your khata this sentence and questions. Okay? At first, I read the sentence. The hare went to sleep. Here, make question who. Here the subject the here. So we make question who went to sleep. Write down your khata. Dear super learners. Who went to sleep? The here went to sleep. Question who went to sleep? Next question. The here slept an hour. Next sentence. The here slept an hour. How long time did the hare sleep? The hare slept an hour. Questions, how long time did the hare sleep? Okay. Next sentence. The tortoise won the competition. The tortoise won the competition. Question, make question. Who won the competition? Who won the competition? Okay. Next sentence. The tortoise won the competition because he walked steadily. Question, make question. Why? Because he walked when? Because we make questions why. Why did the tortoise win the competition? Okay, super learners. Now write the correct answer from the passage. Who won the race? In this passage, who won the race? Dog, cat, tortoise here. Who won the race? Tortoise. Okay, tortoise. Who couldn't believe his eyes? Who couldn't believe his eyes? Animal, the hare, the tortoise, all animals. The hare, okay, the hare. The hare slept. The hare slept. Long time, short time, full time, an hour. The hare slept. An hour. Okay, dear student, you are fine. The tortoise was dashed to win the race. When we any competition participate, when I won the game, I am happy. So the tortoise was happy. The tortoise was happy to win the race. Okay. What sign does the race of the hare and tortoise bear? Industry, pride, laziness, steadiness. The race hare and tortoise bear steadiness. Okay. Dear lovely student. And now you will write down your khata, homework, answer the questions. Here I give you two questions. What is the moral of the story? Question 2. What does the story teach us? So, dear student, your home task, and you will write down your khata, answer the questions, and you will save always, and everybody in this learning platform, you join in these classes and you benefited from the classes and recover your lesson. Okay, dear super learners, thanks. Goodbye.